Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You begin by confirming prerequisites. You need site ownership and access to either the CMS or hosting control panel. Once you open Google Search Console, choose domain or URL prefix property based on scope. Now select a verification method, DNS-TXT for domain, HTML file for server access, or meta tag if you edit templates. Do this now. Avoid extra setup steps. Make sure to copy the exact code or TXT value provided, because the next step requires pasting it precisely where Google expects. Next, implement the verification code you copied. If using DNS-TXT, go to your registrar, add the TXT record, and save. Propagation may take minutes to 48 hours, so be patient. If using HTML file, upload it to the site root and verify the exact file name. If using a meta tag, paste it inside the head of your site template and publish. Once done, return to Search Console and click Verify. Make sure to use the same protocol and subdomain you registered. Finally, complete verification and configure basic settings. Click Verify in Search Console and wait for confirmation. If DNS was used, refresh after propagation. Once verified, submit your sitemap. XML in the Sitemaps tool and review coverage for indexing issues. Make sure to set preferred domain and allow time for data to arrive. If verification fails, recheck code placement, clear caches, and confirm DNS-TTL. Sometimes temporary redirect rules or CDN caches block verification. Reach back and retry verification.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.